Hey everybody, Doug Goff from MarineMax here in St. Petersburg, and today I just want to do a walkthrough with you of the NauticStar 211 Hybrid. Starting back here at the stern, we've got a 115 Yamaha VMAX SHO power source, and it just moves this boat right through the water. This boat is set up as a hybrid, so it does fishing, it does family, it does everything you need it to do. Back deck with all the seats folded down. It's a great area for fishing. These three seats all flip up, and you can have a great seat back here at the helm. Nice safe ride. You can see full bimini top. And we have the bimini top up right now so that you can see the protection that it'll give you if you want to get out of the sun. Moving up forward to the helm, you got a nice big cooler underneath the helm seat. All of your gauges and controls are here. You got an infinity sound system, and you've got a nice 9-inch Simrad screen here for your chart plotter and your fish finder. Trim tabs here. And all of your gauges are here so that you can see everything. Everything's right accessible to whoever's in the helm seat. Let's move up to the bow. All right, here at the bow of the 211 Hybrid, this forward-facing seat is really ingenious. What NauticStar has done here, under this forward-facing seat is your bow live well, which is really great when you're fishing the front of the boat. You also got your JBL premium sound system. You got speakers everywhere, stainless steel cup holders everywhere, stainless steel grab rails, as well as the cleats. This is a filler cushion that is on top of the bow table, which actually comes up, so when you're entertaining, everybody has a place to be. If you're having drinks or hors d'oeuvres or a snack, whatever you're doing out here, all of these cushions come off the bow for when you're fishing. So the 211 Hybrid is just such a versatile boat for the family, for your fishing, doing tournaments, whatever you want to do, and it can go shallow or it can go deep. So you're in great shape. We love you, and we look forward to seeing you here at the marina.